Clogged gutters can put your home at risk during downpours or if you live in a bushfire zone. Keep them clear with the RYOBI EZREACH Gutterblower tool and EZREACH gutter brush attachment, both part of the 18V 1+ EZREACH range of tools with interchangeable attachments. The Gutterblower safely extends your reach up to 2.5 metres, so you can clean the gutters and keep both feet firmly on the ground. The Gutterblower's fan generates air at more than 250 kilometres an hour to clear loose debris like leaves and twigs. The blower head can rotate a full 180 degrees with a variety of angles, so there's no need to stand directly below the tool. And the guard helps to deflect debris away. 2 different nozzles adjust airflow for different gutter types and for getting under gutter clips. Both nozzles have a scraper tip for shifting stubborn debris. For the really tough stuff, grab the EZREACH gutter brush. It's great at removing moss and caked on debris. Simply swap out the blower attachment and connect the brush to the telescopic pole. It has an adjustable articulating head plus a 3-speed dial. The gutter brush's circular spinning motion and 2 interchangeable heads, circular and bottle brush, quickly cleans gutters, fascia boards and various other outdoor surfaces. Combined, these 2 EZREACH tools will leave you with clean, debris-free roof gutters. Both products are part of the RYOBI EZREACH range, which includes a pole hedge trimmer, pole pruner and pole lopper. Simply add the other attachments without having to pay for another power head. That's great value. RYOBI, making it easy to clean and maintain all types of roof gutters. RYOBI EZREACH. Shop the range.
RYOBI, a cut above.